tell you one thing, don't get upset. They're never happy. Here are a bunch of bitter and disgruntled people. I asked them to celebrate today with me, they refused to.
When the expansionism...
Shriram is on the debate right now, Shriram.
is coming from communist China, he is calling our beloved Prime Minister Hitler. This just shows how degraded the discourse has become in some of these left liberal circles are now. They don't understand
who said that?
Stands for what values and principles. They are now willing to impose labels that have absolutely zero credibility. The one who is expanding,
this government does not know how to deliver.
Who is a dictator,
and yes, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi definitely has got fascist
designs. In this country, we have a democracy. We have voices. That's why people like DK are able to debate on television like this. Can we dare go and say something like this in China?
And when you mess up everything,
they are abusing our democracy and discrediting our achievements and calling our own successes failures. That means they have no logic or no.
Shriram, I tell you one thing. Vivek, would you mind Vivek Jinping holding back your Chinese credentials on television for 10 seconds? I want to say something.
That is your achievement.
Comparisons.
A minute.
Logic and sense when you make comparisons.
Was a white flag.
How can Narendra Modi be Hitler? Narendra Modi is simply defending the territorial integrity of a democracy. We don't believe in expansionism. Hitler is for expansionism.
It doesn't make the nation strong. In 6 years, we have become weak.
Strong leadership, and we are defending ourselves against this
Modi is
machine
following the policies of
China
the fascist Germany.
The whole
one nation, one people theory.
Abdomen.
And we will not let you do it.
We are one nation, one people. Smita, did you hear that? Smita, in a Freudian slip right now, Vivek, can you be quiet and not repeat yourself? It's a terrible habit. Smita, if you notice that Smita and Vivek, Vivek's volume down, Smita, I bring to your attention that just some time back in a Freudian slip, Vivek Jinping said that Narendra Modi wants to have one nation, one people in India, and we will not let you do it. It is precisely what the Maoist terrorists say.
It's a diverse country.
So we will not become one nation, one people. Viewers, I want your response on that. Amazing. And he's standing by it.
You can be united by unity and diversity.
We will not let you become one nation, one people.
Who told you that we are not one nation?
That is the constitution.
Who said that?
Not one nation, one people.
Unity and diversity is fine, but we are one nation. At what point of time, sir, did you think that we are not one nation? Unbelievable. You know, Arnab, I must say this, that, you know, on a day like today, when even the most, I think the most disbelieving of us is feeling slightly optimistic, for somebody to come today and start chest beating, these are the Rudalis, these are the people who are forever dukhi. As somebody said, there's something called a, you know, Dukhdard Society of India. They belong to that Dukhdard society who are all the time sad and chest beating about everything. About even unity and diversity, you will find something negative even in that.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.